Hi everybody, recently got a new GoPro Hero 12 Black camera. This one is Creator Edition. So let's quickly unbox it, how it performs, how the video looks on the drone, that we will cover in a later video. But for now, let's go to the overhead rig and let me show you what it all got. This comes with 24 months warranty on Indian official product. So let's unbox it and see what we all got here. So this is how the box looks. It comes with a carrying case, and here we have the branding Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. This one is a Creator Edition which comes with the GoPro Volta, which also acts as a tripod, LED light, media mode, which has an inbuilt microphone, but you can also attach external microphone. So it's a great vlogging setup. I have mostly will be using it for my drones, but also for vlogging. Let's see how it all looks like. And here it shows how everything connects. So I got it from Amazon, and I'll post the link in the description so you can also buy. And by the way, this one comes with Enduro battery, which is really the good version of GoPro batteries, which last longer, which is more resistant for heat changes, and it also works great in the cold environment. I have a trip planned to minus 15 degrees, so I'm gonna take this and test it there. But yeah, for now, let's do a quick unboxing. So this is how it all looks, and over here we see that unboxing flap. I'll just cut it and I'll open it up. So keeping it aside, this is what you get: a GoPro carrying case with the GoPro branding. This one is hard shell with a zipper on top, and unboxing it for the very first time, this is how it looks. Creator Edition must be updated before you use, and this is the QR code to download the GoPro Quick app from App Store and Google Play. And over here we have some more documentation. I'm sure there are some GoPro stickers as well. Subscribe to GoPro Experience. I have already subscribed to it. This is about the battery, about the cold weather performance, and as I mentioned, this one comes with Enduro battery, which is really good for cold weather performance. So we'll check this out later. But on a quick note, I think this works really great until minus 10 degrees Celsius without hampering the recording performance. So that's good to know. This is another documentation, how to connect it to the media mode guide over here. And then we have some product safety instruction. I don't see GoPro stickers. There we are. We have some GoPro stickers, which is always great to have. All right. So first of all, we have our GoPro Volta. This one is actually a power bank cum selfie stick cum tripod. So this one has a USB-C. It connects via USB-C or via Bluetooth to the camera, and you can turn on the recording, turn off the recording, change the mode, and looks like this also turns on the power. And this is how it also acts as a kickstand. So this looks great, and apart from the usual GoPro battery, I think it gives you an additional 4 hours of recording time or something of that sort. And it also has a GoPro mounting fingers over here, so you can mount it to your backpack. And we also have a 1/4 inch thread, so you can mount small tripods or also mount it on a bigger tripod. So keeping it aside, next we have, let's look at the light first. So this is the light which comes with GoPro. This comes with the cold shoe adapter, so you can put it on top of your camera, on top of your media mode, and this is the diffuser. This is a LED light, and if we power it on, I think it has a couple of modes. It has 3 modes, and this one is really bright. So that's good to know. And I'm not sure how to turn it off, but yeah, I think that did the job. And this is the diffuser. So this goes on top of the media mode. We'll check it out in a bit. Then we have the Enduro battery. As I mentioned, this one is really resistant to temperature changes. Then we have the media mod, and this is where you can find the USB-C connector. Yeah, there we go. This connects directly to the camera, giving you access to the internal microphone, as well as you can also connect external microphones. And there are a couple of cold shoe connector which can take off your light like this, or also on the side which can take your external microphone. So this is really cool. And finally, we have the GoPro Hero 12 Black camera. This one comes fairly well packaged. So yeah, doing a quick unwrapping. I'll remove it. And also this over here. And of course the front display, which is not touchscreen, sadly, but this does show preview of what you are recording, so it's always good to have when you are vlogging it. There is some residue over there which I'll remove later on. And this one has some sort of sprinkled star pattern. and it comes with finger mounting as usual, and this is where battery goes. So quickly putting in the battery, I think this goes this way, and this looks really great. This camera also supports the max lens mode 2.0, so that you have to purchase separately. That comes for around 8,000-9,000 rupees. I have not bought it yet, but I'll try it later. But yeah, other than that, I don't really think there is anything special over here. It comes with few attachments, few another hot shoe, cold shoe mounts extenders. This is good. This is like the windshield for your media mod camera. So this is like the wind cover. We have two USB cables. That's good. I think one will be for Volta and one would be for camera. Couple of mounts as well. And yeah, pretty much it. So that's the unboxing experience.